Lepide Data Security Platform can track changes on the basis of a threshold condition. You can set a specific event, for instance, a file deletion or a file modification, and you can select a threshold value and a time period. For example, if 3 objects are created or 6 objects are modified in a very short amount of time, a threshold alert can be generated in real time. You can set the alerting mechanism to send out alerts into the live feed or to your emails. Once you have set the recipient email addresses, the solution will start sending the threshold alerts on the basis of the threshold value that you've entered. It's really easy to configure threshold alerting inside the solution. When you create any alert, there's a threshold value that you can specify. For example, if you go to any Active Directory modification, say alert me every time a user is deleted, and then you click on next, there is a threshold value that can be set here. You can set this value to anything. Say 5 user accounts are deleted in less than or equal to 1 minute. If this threshold is met, an alert will be sent to you. Threshold alerts give you an extra edge in spotting anomalous events.